Attorney, kasi naging issue ngayon yung parang naging revelation, naging expose ng ex-military personnel daw po. And then, ang sabi nila, ang isa sa mga pinangalanan nila, si Ombudsman Boying Rimulya. And yung pakikipag-usap niya sa mga ICC investigators. Ano po bang, natin dyan, impression? That a former DOD Secretary...
Well, the fact that the Ombudsman Rimulya admitted the fact that while he was still Secretary of Justice, met with the ICC investigators together with a group of Trillanes sometime last year, already confirms at least a part of the statement of the former military personnel. No? Pag idugtog-dugtong mo yung mga kwento nila. So, talagang, in fact, I was surprised because palaging sinasabi ng gobyernong ito that they will not cooperate with the ICC in any way, shape, or form. Biglang kinumpirma na nagko-cooperate pala sa ICC investigators.
Tapos, attorney, way back sa Senate hearing, yun nga yung naging statement ni Ombudsman Boying Rimulya.
Kaya nga, na hindi sila magpa-participate.
Is that a ground for perjury na pwede nang habulin?
I would not know at this point in time because I think it's up for Ombudsman Rimulya to explain in details kung bakit pa iba-iba yung sinasabi niya. Yung mga sinasabi niya, in fact, were done, as you said, during Senate investigation made under oath, and now he's making it, though not under oath, iba naman yung sinasabi niya, kaya nagko-cooperate nga. But in the guise of, in his explanation, to protect the witnesses. But whatever is the reason, you're actually helping the ICC investigators. Ilagay natin sa konteksto yan, ma'am. Yung ICC is an international body. It does not have its own law enforcement agency to enforce the orders that comes out of the ICC. Pangalawa, it works with the Interpol. And the Interpol also does not have its own law enforcement personnel to enforce whatever orders that the Interpol may receive from international bodies or foreign courts to be enforced in any particular country, in this case, the Philippines. So the Interpol will also have to rely with our local police or the government to effect whatever foreign judgment or order that the Interpol may want to enforce in our country. It cannot enforce or implement any foreign judgment, any foreign order on its own. It has to have the participation of the domestic state where the order is being applied.